to answer me? Well, one, you have very good personality. Two, you have confidence. Three, you know how to move with people. Let us see how you come out. मिस्टर हार्दिक, आपका बारे में
Yes, sir.
बता दीजिए.
Sir, myself, Hardik Kumar Raja. I've been born and brought up in a small town near Jabalpur, that is Shahdol. I have done my schooling from Maharshi Vidya Mandir, and after that, I've gone for the BCom degree in the Pandit Shambhunath University. Uh, while I was
So,
doing BCom, I was also doing my chartered accountancy. In my chartered accountancy, I have cleared CA but due to ill health of my father and my financial condition, I was not able to complete my course. So while I was doing BCom, sir, I was also doing the derivative trading, to be very precise, in the options market. After that, I moved to MCom, sir. MA in economics, sir. I have completed my MA economics in the Pandit Shambhunath University. After that, I moved for the MBA degree in the Eklavya University, Damoh. After that, I started studying for the banking exam and I have cleared LIC AA and LIC ADO, but I nearly missed the interview. And after that, sir, I have to join REA India, that's the Real Estate Australia. And famously, we know this company in India as a housing.com. So there, I've been working there for the past 10 months. And in the past 10 months, I have booked or closed property worth of rupees 42 crore in the Bangalore market. So basically, my work was to handle the client, handle the CRM system, and also look for their loan requirement. During the tenure of my work, sir, I have got the LOL award, that is the League of Legends, they call it. Basically, this award is given to the person who has closed the most valuable property across Bangalore. So I got that award joining in like whenever I joined in the second month only, and in the I've also got in the 6th month. So my hobbies are, sir, playing guitar and music.
now, one, there will be a lot of questions regarding real estate.
Okay, sir.
Two, there will be questions on why you are jumping when you are a successful real estate man.
Sure,
Let
sir.
us see how you are answering. Mr.
Sure, sir.
Hardik, you said you
Yes,
are
sir.
working for some real estate company. What is that company? Where is it situated? Where are you now staying?
Okay, sir. Right now I'm in the Bangalore city, sir. And the company that I've been working with is, I said REA India, Real Estate Australia. It is a MNC. It is more than in the it is more than in the 9 countries of all over the world. And basically in India, we know it as a housing.com. So
Hmm.
basically, they have two verticals. The vertical that I was working in, we call it as a prop tiger. So basically, if let's say if there is a client, he wants to buy a home, he will go on the Google or Facebook. We will generate leads through Facebook, Meta, and Google, and we will contact that client, take his or her requirement, and with our knowledge of real estate for the Bangalore market, we will suggest them the properties according to their budget, according to the location they want. And maybe someone apartment, someone want villa, someone want villa man, someone want plots. So we have that knowledge, we have the support of our L&D team. So with the help of that, we are able to cater their needs. So this is what we do, sir. So in that, we also deal with the client. We also deal with the CRM system, that is the insight system of the management. And we also look for the, let's say if the house is, the client has bought the house. So we also cater them the needs for their housing loans.
Hmm. Good. Now, where is the need for an Australian company here when we have so many brokers sitting without work? In what way are you different from them?
Sure, sir. So because a lot of unprofessionalism is there, a lot of hugging of clients is there. Uh, Clients को बहुत ज्यादा ठगा जाता है सर इसमें, to be very honest with that. Like professionalism की बहुत ज्यादा कमी है इस profession में. So when a MNC comes, they literally train us how to behave in a certain scenario, how to behave in a other scenario. So we got a very good training in that. We got the training for the real estate market in the Bangalore. We got the training for the housing, CRM system, and loan system. So professionalism is a big thing, sir. Let's say
What
you
is
are buying
what is the commission you take from the borrowers?
sir, it depends upon the property to property. Basically, housing.com is a No, 0% commission we take in general. But let's say if a property worth is more than 8 CR, 3 CR, then we take 5% commission.
5%. Acha, acha.
Yes.
That's good.
2 to
Now,
5% is the normal commission percentage. Sir.
what are the recent changes or provisions brought in Real Estate Act?
Uh, Sir, I'm not very sure about the Real Estate Act. What are the changes that have come? But
And
I know that, yeah.
more especially relating to Karnataka, more especially relating to Bengaluru.
Sir, as such,
Hello.
in my knowledge, yes, sir, I'm
Mm.
here. As such, in
Yeah.
my knowledge, there is no recent development for the, especially for the Karnataka. Only one thing is there that has come up for the Karnataka that if a female is a co-applicant in your property, you will get a 0.05% rebate in the registration. And
Mhm.
Karnataka, as compared to my hometown, is in Madhya Pradesh, sir. So Madhya
Mm.
Pradesh, the registry charges are 12.25%, 12.25 to 12.6 percentage. But here, being a very mature market, because Bangalore is a very mature real estate market, they have a 6.25 to 6.65% of registry.
What are the biggest problems in real estate in India?
Sir, the real problem in real estate, what I particularly feel is a lot of illegal encroachment of land, lot of illegal encroachment of the reservoir we have, ponds and lakes. And basically, these were the challenges that were faced before coming of the RERA. Now the RERA has come, so the builder and even the buyer, like they are both covered under the RERA Act. So basically, we see that the builder cannot do anything that is outside the power of RERA Act. So RERA has prescribed a lot of list, big list is there, sir. So builder has to behave in a certain manner that is inside the legality and periphery of RERA. That should be inside the legal and periphery of RERA.
Yeah. 1 minute. Are you seeing something on the screen now?
No, sir.
Nothing.
Nothing, sir. Just we three are there.
This is one I came. There may be many others you may be having. Please,
Sure, sir.
here it tells about introduction. Currently, redevelopment projects, real estate industry faces challenges, compliance challenges, transparency challenges,
Hmm.
टेक्नोलॉजी सॉल्यूशंस कोलैबोरेशन एंड एजुकेशन कंक्लूजन थोड़ा इसको बाद में प्रिपेयर कर दो so that
Sure,
you
sir.
can answer some of these questions. I don't know whether they will ask only this way, that way. The
Sure,
persons
sir.
sitting there are much more experienced than me because they are in the field. They do that every day in the morning and evening. ये काम करते हैं वो लोग. उनका पास
Sure,
बहुत
sir.
कुछ information होगा. Please prepare about that.
Sure, sir.
And more especially about real estate act and all that uska bare mein. And more than that, this question is very much expected. What do you know about the recent changes in capital gains tax?
Oh, sir, that I forgot.
This, you are a commerce student. This has
Yes, sir.
happened last year. This question was asked to one of the candidates in last year Punjab National Bank interview.
Yes, sir.
Capital. Oh, please prepare on these lines. That will be okay for you.
Sure, sir.
Now, what is your salary like here?
Sir, I was working there in a salary of around 55,000 per month.
You have resigned.
Yes, sir, I have resigned. Now
No,
I
no,
have
but
taken my own RERA and I'm working as an independent CP here.
acha, acha, acha. Now you are an independent. That is, you
CP,
are a free
we call channel
freelancer.
partner. Yeah, yeah.
Freelancer.
You can say that.
Very good, very good. So they will ask you, can you not manage with this freelancing where you get lot of money? Why do you have to come here and get every month this salary? It's only for theoretically it is asked. It
Sure, sir,
depends.
sure.
If at all you are capable of convincing people um, and making deals all along, ये तो problem, ये तो आसान नहीं है. कभी होता है, कभी नहीं होता है.
Yes,
What
sir.
is your experience in convincing others? Out of 10, how many are you able to convince?
Sir, out of 10, I think seven, six or seven.
Acha, 6 or 7 is a very good number, Baba. Normally, it will be one or two only. It cannot be more. Because,
मेरा सर एक्चुअल में ऐसे ही होता था बिकॉज वो 42 करोड़ का जो मैंने आपको बताया था फिगर, वो बेसिकली यही था कि आई वाज एबल टू विन द कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द माय क्लाइंट्स। एंड बेसिकली एक मेरा थोड़ा एथिक्स का भी रहता था कि मैं कभी क्लाइंट को व्हाट यू कॉल जबरदस्ती की इंफॉर्मेशन से ट्रबल नहीं करता था। जो चीज जैसी है आई वाज गोइंग टू टेल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, सर लुक
but
इफ यू गो टू
normally
अदर।
in your field, lot of dagalbach is there. That is, they
Yes,
cheat.
yes, I know, sir. I know, and I take a advantage of that only because I already told you, real estate market in the Bangalore is very mature market. So if some customer is coming to me, basically he has an idea of who is CP, who is broker. तो वो बहुत filter out करके आ रहा है। तो अगर मैं भी
Correct.
same चीज करूंगा उसके साथ, तो he will not be coming to me. He will not be closing the property with me. So that's why I
Good.
have to be very smart about it.
Okay, you are going for Punjab National Bank.
Yes, sir.
What do you know about financial inclusion?
So basically, the financial inclusion is the scheme of government where they want the weaker section of the society to be get the advantage of banking service, insurance service, pension services, and also mainly focuses on the loan services. So basically, in the rural sector or in the weaker section of society in the Indian economy, they usually go and take a loan from the a particular individual who charge them more interest. So if they are included in the financial inclusion, they will be able to get loans from the bank and also get the benefit from the government schemes that is directly to their bank account when they be having the bank account.
Yes. 1 minute. I was here now.
Yes.
I was somewhere here. Correct. What do you understand by interest coverage ratio?
Interest coverage ratio stand for, sir, EBIT upon my interest. So basically, this ratio tells us that our operating profit EBIT, earning before interest and tax, is capable of taking care of the interest part of our loan. So if someone has a good EBIT, it tells us as a banker or as a loan giver that this person is able to pay off his interest charges on loan.
Okay. What is CRILC?
Sorry, sir, CR.
ILC. Just now, one candidate told me Central Repository of Information on Large Credits for credits over rupees 5 crore. I have
Okay,
given
sir.
this in our group.
Okay. Sorry, sir, I'm not
Okay,
aware about it, but
no
I will look
problem.
for it, sir.
Yeah. What is the impact of inflation on lending?
Impact of inflation on lending. So, basically, sir, let's say if inflation is there in the economy, so what RBI will do, RBI will try to cover the inflation in the range of 4% plus minus 2%.
Hmm.
So, let's say if there's an inflation in the economy and RBI want to curb it. So, what RBI can do, they can increase the rate of CR
Hmm.
or maybe SLR so that the bank has to park more money on the RBI. So what
Hmm.
will happen? There will be a shortage of cash in the economy, and that's why the demand will reduce. So inflation could get be controlled.
Hmm.
And
What do you
about the
know?
loan part, yes.
What do you know about cash flow analysis and funds flow analysis?
So cash flow analysis was the analysis. It is a part of financial statement, and it shows that the operation of cash, the financing of the cash has been used in what manner, from where the cash is coming and from where the uh, it is coming and from where the cash is going. As compared to in the fund flow statement, we compare for the funds. So cash flow is cash focused, fund flow is fund focused. I will give you an example for that, sir. Let's say someone has bought machinery for cash. So this statement can be recorded in the cash flow statement in the investing activity. Someone has bought plant and machinery in cash. So we can record it in the investment cash flow from investment. What do you call? We can record it in cash flow from investment, but for fund flow statement, we cannot record it. We can only record it, let's say, if there is a transaction where we have issued share for buying of plant and machinery. So here we can record in the fund flow statement. This thing we can record in the fund flow statement. Fund flow statement basically shows us where the funds are coming and where we are occupying our funds.
What is the difference between CPI and WPI?
Uh, CPI and WPI, wholesale price index and consumer price index.
Correct. What are the
So for
components of a balance sheet?
components of the balance sheet, sir. It is equity, liability, assets. So be very precise for the liability, current
What is
liability,
cash credit facility?
cash, credit, facility. Sorry, sir, I'm
It
not
is
able
a
to
it is
follow.
a short-term working capital loan allowing withdrawals up to a sanctioned limit against
Okay,
security.
sir, CC. It is CC, sir. I know, sir. Can I tell you?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So cash credit CC facility, it is a working capital kind of working capital loan, which a person is taking for the day-to-day activity. The loan is being taken for the day-to-day operations. And in the while a person is taking cash credit, he has to give charge on his stock or debtors. Cash credit is always be taken while creating a charge on inventories, stocks, or debtors.
Okay. What is a term loan?
Term loan.
Hmm.
Term loans are basically it is a long-term loan. Basically, it is done for the capital expenditure. The normal tenure of term loan is usually more than 1 year, and it can go up to 3 to 5 years. So basically, in the term loan, person or the borrower will buy plant and machinery, land and equipments, these sorts of things. It's a long-term loan which creates a capital expenditure and capital assets.
What is the importance of credit monitoring?
Credit monitoring, sir, it's a way by the bank or the banker so that they can have a look about the लेट्स से क्रेडिट मॉनिटरिंग में बेसिकली ये होता है कि लेट्स से अकाउंट का अगर रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग हुआ है लेट्स से क्लाइंट ने मांगा रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग के लिए जब रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग उसको हो जाता है उसके बाद टर्म्स भी चेंज हो जाती है तो यूजुअली क्रेडिट ऑफिसर और बैंक जो होता है एक क्रेडिट मॉनिटरिंग उस अकाउंट पे रखता है सो दैट रीपेमेंट जो है वो टाइमली हो सके और फिर से डिफॉल्ट ना हो सके इवन
Same
आफ्टर द
point.
रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ द लोन
Sahi hai, but same point given briefly here. Credit
या
monitoring
सर
ensures early detection
यस
of
सर यस सर
stress in accounts, preventing
एक
slippages.
यस रियली सॉरी वो एकदम से ना मुझे वो वर्ड्स याद नहीं आ पा रहे दैट्स व्हाई मैंने हिंदी में स्विच किया बोलने के लिए
कोई बात नहीं. What is a credit policy?
क्रेडिट पॉलिसी बाय आरबीआई सर
No, no. Credit policy of the banks, credit policy of the RBI, anything it can be. It can,
क्रेडिट अप्रेजल
each bank has got its own credit policy.
ओके
A credit policy outlines the framework for lending, risk assessment, approval processes, and risk mitigation. All these are given in a material given to you.
यस सर
Are you are you seeing on the screen?
नो सर स्क्रीन में तो वो पुराना वाला है रियल एस्टेट का ओके सर
बहुत
दीज
कुछ.
110 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव गिवन ना
हाँ, या.
हाँ हाँ मैं स्टार्टिंग में हूँ सर अभी इसमें
इसको पढ़ लो जी. नेक्स्ट टाइम इंटरव्यू में आपको सुविधा हो जाएगा ये तो. दिस कवर्स ऑलमोस्ट मेजर आइडियाज. प्लीज
Yes,
टेक
yes,
केयर.
sir. It's very nice.
या. बेस्ट विशेस. थैंक यू
Thank you,
सो
sir.
मच. बाय.
तो कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए बता दीजिए कहाँ पे
Good, good.
लैग था
You
मेरा.
are, you are a confident person like our this boy. What is his name?
Srijan.
Srijan. So you can also do well. You can also do well. पिताजी क्या करते हैं आपका?
LIC में डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर थे सर.
अभी भी काम करते हैं?
नहीं नहीं, रिटायर हो गए सर, उनको तो
रिटायर
हेल्थ
हो?
इश्यूज होने लगे थे.
ओ, इट्स ओके. But don't worry, be confident person and try to give the best. I think he will be getting pension, na, Pidaji?
यस सर, पेंशन पेंशन उनको आ रहा है.
Because in fact, every day I go on, no, it's recorded, no.